Lazy river.
Haley,
I hate it.
where'd they go?
They're in the very back.
Devin's got her. He'll get her one. This lazy river ride just got not lazy.
Dada, help me.
See if Haley wants one.
Please. I can even float it up.
But listen,
Please.
hey, but if you get trapped underneath here, you're going to be getting pushed under the water. You understand?
Because the water's flowing, so you got to make sure that you're staying up, man.
That one has double.
Haley, do you want a double? Thanks, Devin.
What?
He says.
Man, dear God, son.
No! Can I get out the water? Woo! I hate it. Oh no!
A lazy river ride with children. It's not lazy.
And he just goes on that lane.
It's work.
You're getting set
Why
through
is
every
there
water.
not?
Devin, if you pull me through another waterfall, I will make sure that we do not go back to Wolfgang Club. If you, I mean it, we will not go back to Wolfgang Park if we go through another waterfall, Devin won. I'm thinking, where?
God almighty!
Oh my God. Andy, he's down on the ground. The water is ice cold.
No!
You love me.
I'll never let go of that.
Devin! That's it. Ask me again to go to Wolfgang Park. I dare you.
You gotta walk in the butt.
No.
Devin, you are that.
You're gonna fall and crack your head like that.
Devin, you're that mean.
Tell him.
You're that mean.
Say no more Wolfgang Puck for you.
No more games for you, Devin.
No more game.
No more games for you. Even, that means no more phones for you. Even whenever we get home in this world.
Grounded forever. Worst son ever award for you. Pila! Pila!
Look at that, I try.
Oh,
Devin, move up. Bring your butt.
and there with Devin.
You're the worstest. You're the worst at driving, Devin.
All right, signing out. Say bye.
Bye.
So I'm having the best time in Disney World ever.
I'm having the best time of the Disney World ever. Hey, did you know I'm the one who's
Devin,
driving?
dear God, let go of the float.
Whoa!